Facebook friends, it's your pal Jared. So one of the skills that most magicians aspire to learning is that of estimation. Estimation is a very useful technique that's used by gamblers in card cheats so they can estimate the number of cards that were cut or to track specific cards. It's very handy in a game of cards. So I've been working on this, I kid you not, probably more than a decade, and I'm getting pretty good at it now. It's not 100%, but I'm getting there. And I'm actually learning this skill with both hands. So in other words, I can estimate how many are in my right hand and how many in my left hand, which comes in handy because I'm a right-handed person by nature. So let's start with how I do this. So I start with two piles of cards, and I just divide the deck out like this. And I'm going to, once we get past this dealing aspect, then I'll show you how we start small and I'll work my way up. So I'm going to begin by trying to cut off less than 10 cards with each hand, but know exactly how many cards I've cut to exactly, just by feel alone. So here we go. So from here, small number of cards. From here, a small number of cards. And I'm feeling there's more cards here than this one. This one, it feels like there's 5 cards. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, right on the money. I'm feeling 8 cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got it. To be honest with you, that's not that difficult. If I handed you a deck of cards in maybe an hour's time and asked you to keep counting less than 10 cards, I would pretty much guarantee that most of you would get it right maybe 7 out of 10 times. The deeper you cut, the more challenging this becomes. So if I cut deeper on either of these piles, the margin of error increases significantly. So let's try. So we'll go here and here. And feeling 14 cards here, 18 here. See how I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on the money. Let's try this one. I'm feeling 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I nailed it. There you go. So that's a couple ways that I do it, and I'm going to try a different way where I'm able to actually calibrate how many cards I have in each hand. So to do that, I'm going to cut off a packet of cards that's going to be less than half. I'm going to place those aside, and I'm going to count to the table 26 cards exactly. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That is a verbal workout. So 26 cards. So let's see how I did. So I've got a pile here, and we know we have 26 here, so let's see. Okay, I'm right on the money right now. I believe I have an even number of cards here as here. And I'm feeling 18. 18 and 18. Let's see how I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 cards on the money. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 on the money. So there you go. So that's another way of doing that. And we're going to do this again a little differently this time. What I'm going to do this time is I'm going to imagine that a spectator cuts off a small number of cards. So I'm going to try to do this visually. Okay, visually. So let's see. Let's cut some cards down to here. And let's square that up. Let's try there. All right. I'm going to make 3 predictions, okay? 3 predictions. By visually looking at those cards, I'm going to tell you, let's see. Right there. Okay. By looking at these 2 piles, I'm going to tell you that right now, I can tell you that I have the same number of cards as in this pile, but 3 more and enough cards left over in my pile to make that pile equal 25. So let's see how I did. So remember our statement. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 15 cards there. Now I said I had 15, the same number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 exactly. But I also said I had 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and enough cards left over in this pile to make that pile equal 25. So we know there's 15. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I hit it on the money. You know how I know I got this right? Because for me to do this properly, I would have had to have cut to an ace. Because over here, I have another ace, and another ace. That's all 4 aces. My name's Jared. I hope you enjoyed my demonstration about estimation. Thanks for watching.